Hi guys, Happy New Year 2025. Look, I'm going to do a video just to show you how I'm feeling today. I'm feeling like praising the Lord and thanking Him for 2024, and I'm looking forward to 2025 and seeing you guys along the journey as well. So Happy New Year guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for 2024. Now let's so I just want 2025, Happy New Year, New Year Day, Happy New Year. Ke mo Niue ne tau fo ha mo tau ma tau fa Niue tau fa in the North Australia, America, Niue, everywhere around the world. Ka la here to ke mo losi. Mo Niue na e tau fo. Woo! So I just want to praise this. Got up today and I just feel like really praising, and just a new year to say thank you, Lord, for bringing us forward to 2025. Quite funny, but my husband's controlling all the music and stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to make this video a special one for today, which is New Year's Day 2025. I wanted to share with you my journey from 2024 to 2025, and going forward I want to look forward to making more beautiful wonderful videos, and for you to be along with that journey. My mainstream of YouTube followers are Niue people, so if you're not, but you know, I do appreciate you all, everyone. So praising God is so wonderful, and I'm so thankful. That's another part of my journey in life. So thank you guys. It has been a wonderful journey, and we do look forward to wonderful things happening this year, and I'm so excited. You know, I try not to look at anything negative. I try and live in the moment. Today is the moment, and I'm living that moment today. Whatever happened in the past, whatever's coming ahead of us, we don't know. But this moment, we do know for sure that we can celebrate life, celebrate today, and just thank God that we're here today, right now, in this present time.